morning, everyone. I'm Sharon, founder and CEO of Alt Finance. In a world where data is at the heart of effective investment management, Alt Finance bridges the gap, covering alternative assets for these categories. We track the trading of these assets with pricing, risk, and returns on assets like fine arts, luxury watches, vintage wine, across a $3 trillion market of assets that have been owned. Think of it as Bloomberg for luxury real assets. Before building Alt Finance, I worked at Sotheby's, previously with 10 years of experience in the market. And as you can see here, bidding on the phone, spending money for clients, one of the frequently asked questions I would get for clients and from colleagues in finance was, what is this worth? What is this painting worth? What is this sculpture worth? What about classic cars? I've got a friend that's got a Banksy. Can you tell me about it? And after getting this question enough times, I thought there must be a way to address this problem. And so we decided to create a solution to address this. Alt Finance creates a similar experience to how you would look through data sets or data on alternative assets, but with the experience of Bloomberg. So you're able to filter across multiple areas like regions, vendors, markets to get insights that are instantly calculated in a visual calculator experience within your dashboard. Without Alt Finance, we know that our users or our target audience are addressing this problem without any kind of dedicated solutions, whether it comes to collecting, trading, insuring, or governing these assets. And this affects the entire value chain from wealth management to lending to advisory to insurance. And through the FinTech Innovation Lab, we've had the opportunity to work very closely with 5 major institutions, and we've identified 4 main use cases across balance sheet consolidation, being able to track the asset and what it's worth and monitor that on an ongoing basis, trust and estate planning, family office management, advisory, and tailored lending. And I'm so excited to share that we actually have lined up 2 pilots that are going to be starting at the end of the program. Behind the visuals that you see in the dashboard and the API data feeds, the magic is in how we extract, gather the data, clean, and transform it to deliver it to the user. And so we actually map out the provenance of items across over 55,000 institutions globally to identify how institutions and previous owners affect the value of an asset. In addition, before any asset can be approved or published, it must go through and pass over 2,000 data checks for it to be as quality data that can be used. With better data, users can now access insights to impact better interest returns, whether you're offering services for collateralized lending or increase investment returns on these assets because you actually know how it's been trading overall and you have the insights to make more informed decisions. We also support being able to understand and value these assets for more accurate valuations on your balance sheets. Alt Finance helps you to access the insights to complete the picture. So you think of it like a jigsaw puzzle where your investment portfolio is made of different pieces. We complete the picture with the alternative assets so you can understand how this fits into the complete picture. That means that you're able to get better valuations for your insurance, for your asset management, and wealth management services. Our vision is similar to how Bloomberg transformed the traditional markets in the 1980s. So similar to how Bloomberg changed how we think about data, monitoring the markets, analyzing it, we do the same covering alternative assets. And our vision is to do this across multiple stages, across these different categories. On our team, we have expertise in valuations, in technology, in wealth management, and together we bring this together to deliver Alt Finance. If you'd like to experience the data that we offer and to try it out, we invite you to do so. We're offering a 7-day free trial where you can actually try it out with FIL NYC, and we look forward to talking to you. Thank you.